Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm actually going to be showing you guys how I'm planning on using the monthly pages, I guess, or the monthly overview in my new Erin Condren Planner. As you can see, this is the planner that I have. I actually went with the colorful planner. I have a whole video dedicated to this particular planner and how I compare it to my previous planner, my 2018 planner as well. So if you guys are interested in that, I will definitely link that video for you. But today I'm going to be showing you guys just how I start getting into my planner and what I use the different sections of my planner for. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and flip to the year at a glance. Now for me, my year at a glance is probably going to be completely different than yours, and I want you guys to actually customize your year at a glance the way you would use it. I have these little clear dots that I tend to use, and these are really great for appointments, but I like to use mine for appointments and other events, but I actually like to use mine for my daughter's school events that she has going on. So I've marked the first day of school. I've marked the days that she has no school in pink. Yellow is for early dismissal. You can see I have a little yellow there, and so forth. And this is how I plan out my year. So basically this is my daughter's academic calendar for the year 2019-2020, and it just gives me an idea of when she's going back to school and so forth. And then I also when they come out with the 2020 schedule, I will also go in this planner and put those down as well, and it goes all the way up to December 2020. So it just kind of gives me an idea of what's going to be going on with my daughter's school, if she's having 2-hour early release or anything like that that's going on. This is what I tend to use it for. Another thing you could use it for, if you have appointments and you have like you want a yearly overview of your appointments, this would also be good just to kind of let you know what days you have an appointment. But what's been working best for me in particular is just going over my daughter's school schedule and just kind of keeping her overview of her academic year in this particular format. The next thing I have are these pages. These are the new beginning, new mindset, new focus. I use these sections here, or this section, for my job. Whether you're an Instagram or YouTube or whatever, if you have different things that you want to do, or if you know that some type of videos are more popular one time of the year than another, this might be a way that you could kind of plan those out. I use this particularly for my job. So what I do is anytime my job has big events, we have monthly events and so forth. So I know each month what event is going to be coming up next, and it kind of just gives me an idea of events that I can repeat, or events that I just may need to say, you know what, we didn't do too good doing this event last year, we don't need to do it anymore. So it just kind of gives me an idea here of a wide overview, of what everything is. And so I just label it from the time the planner starts, which is in July, so it goes all the way through July to June of 2020, and that's just what I use this particular section for. This note page section here, sometimes I do brainstorming here. It just really depends on how I feel or what I got going on. Sometimes I will do like a memory keeper here. So this is like where I will, like, I take a lot of pictures on my phone, and I know we all have phones and we all take pictures all the time of like events and different things that we see and food that we eat and so forth. I will place it on here, and this is kind of like my monthly overview, and it just goes back and it shows you things that I've done during the month. In my old planner, I actually done one where I put like things that I wanted to do. So it was like my fall bucket list. You could easily do that here. You could do a summer bucket list, or you could just go through and just put your pictures down and the events to kind of remember what events and so forth you went to, or just any pictures that you really want to get off your phone. You can actually put them here, and guys, it looks absolutely great. You have endless possibilities. There's so much stuff you can do. If you don't have one of those really fancy photo machines, you can definitely use a printer and print them off and just put them in a different format, like in a Word document or something like that, and just kind of crop the pictures down. And you can have pictures and then just cut them out. Guys, it's really easy, really simple. I can do a video on that if you would like to see in depth how I do mine. I actually have one of the little fancy machines to do it. But guys, this is so easy and so simple to do, and it only takes maybe an hour. If you like crafting, it's easily something that you could do and not have a problem with. I think I am going to show you mine in particular, because I kind of want you guys to actually see the idea that I came up with. So this is my my current planner that I'm in right now, And I know I did one, I want to say, maybe it was, so this is the one that I did for fall, and this is my fall bucket list, and it says fall bucket list. I just loaded this one down with stickers, and that's pretty much what it looks like. I mean, it's just a fall bucket list. It just lists everything that I wanted to do during the fall. So that's the way that one looks. I didn't really do one every single month. I don't think I did one for like November. Let's see here. Yeah, November is blank. I didn't do one for November. But guys, just whenever you have like maybe a lot of events or a lot of things going on, why not do this? It's just really easy. It's really simple. And here I just did one, and I just labeled it monthly goals, and I just went with it and put a cleaning schedule. You can do so many things with this sheet of paper right here. So I do love decorating that. And like I said, if you want to, then you can do it. If not, that's fine too. You don't have to. But this is how I plan on utilizing my planner this year, and just making sure that I'm using my planner. Okay, so this page is new this year in the Erin Condren planners, and I know a lot of people have questions and may not like this page. I'm just going to give you an idea of what I'm going to do with this particular page, and we're going to go from there. So again, this is probably going to be a continuation of my board, or this could be what I want to get done in my house. So this could be my July cleaning schedule. This could be my monthly cleaning schedule, whatever. You can put it there. You could also put like little things kind of like outside your home, like maybe if you want to vacuum your car out, or maybe go to the car wash, or maybe little special things you could definitely put right here. For the birthdays, I am going to keep this the same. I am going to put my birthdays in here. I know July, my husband has a birthday, his brother has a birthday, so I do have a couple of July birthdays, and I'm going to use these. I'm not sure if I'm going to use stickers for them or not. I think I'm just going to hand write them out, and just write out the date as well, and then just go ahead and put them here. Monthly goals, I'm going to keep my monthly goals exactly the same way, you guys. I'm just going to write down whatever goals I have for the month. Now this particular box right here, as soon as I saw this, I was like, I know exactly what's going in this box. And for me, I'm actually going to be putting down, again, my daughter's events that she has for that month. So if you're looking for report cards or anything like that, or if they do, let's say, it's like maybe April and they do like an Easter egg hunt, you know, that might be something that you want to put down, bring eggs for Easter egg hunt or something like that. So that's exactly what I'm going to use the section for. I know my daughter has an event at the end of this month, and she needs things. The school is asking me to bring in some things, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm definitely going to be using this particular box. Now this box down here at the bottom is a grid box, and this one is the one I was just like, okay, what am I going to do with the dot grid box? Because to be honest with you, I don't use dot grids. I just don't. I actually tried journaling with this particular planner that I got a while back, and you guys, I use this, but like, I have a lot of personal stuff in here too. The dot pages, like this is the first page of the binder, I mean of the TN, I never used it. I just have never used it for anything, and so it just sits here. But what I think I'm going to start doing with this particular one is I think I'm going to do monthly affirmations. And the reason why I'm saying that is because I think that this would be a good spot just to have a big overall goal, something that you scribe for the entire month, and then you can see if you carried it out or if you were able to keep that goal. So not so much a goal, but if you know, if you lived in your own truth. So that's what I'm going to do with this particular section right here. So there you guys have it. I hope that kind of gives you an overview of just how I'm going to be using my planner. I know a lot of people were confused, especially when it comes to the beginning of the planner. They're like, oh, I don't want to touch it, it looks so pretty, I don't want to mess it up or whatever. I completely understand that, guys. I was the same way. I am the same way. I'm thinking now, like, do I want to write in it now or do I want to wait till later, and I don't want to mess it up. Let me tell you, last night I had already put my husband's name in here, and I was just like, okay, I'm just going to go ahead, leave it in there. And then I took right out and completely erased it. You guys can barely even see it on camera. So play with your planners. Figure out if it's the right style for you.